3D product animation videos are going absolutely viral right now. Thousands of followers, hundreds of thousands of views, and zero skills required. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create these using completely free AI tools. Let's go! Open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 10 3D product mechanical assembly animation ideas." Pick the concept that looks most cinematic. Paste it back into ChatGPT and type, "Give me the best starting image prompt, ending image prompt, and video prompt for this idea." In seconds, you'll have all three prompts ready. This is your complete blueprint. Copy your starting image prompt and open Google ImageFX. Create a new project, paste the prompt, set your aspect ratio, and hit generate. Your stunning starting image is ready in seconds. Now copy the ending image prompt, paste it into Google ImageFX, and generate again. Now you have both cinematic product images ready for animation. Switch to video mode in Google ImageFX. Upload your starting image as the first frame and your ending image as the second frame. Copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in. Select OmniFlash for best quality. Hit generate, and in just moments, Google ImageFX creates a smooth, professional 3D product animation. Download in highest resolution available. That's it, a viral 3D product animation in under 10 minutes, completely free. Subscribe to Bulk AI for more viral AI strategies. Drop a like and see you in the next one.